Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be playing Turba race. We're gonna be playing five levels. You can on first place. We're doing this is the second lap. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you guys like and subscribe. We won. This is the first round. We're gonna go to the next round. We're driving through the street. You have to collect all the coins and make sure you don't eat the cars. I'm just eating the cars for fun. We're gonna do 4 laps. Two more laps to go. This game is really fun. You guys need to download this game in Play Store or any app you download game. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. One more lap to go, guys. One more. We're racing through the street. This game is very fun. You guys need to download this game because this game is very fun. This is second level. 2 more levels. So this round we're gonna be doing 6 rounds. It's gonna get harder and harder, so stay tuned. This car is very speed. I'm gonna be trashing all these cars to show them that I'm the best driver. That was so clean. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you guys like and subscribe. We got into an accident. That's why I told you guys, don't eat many people cars. Just a few people cars. I'm gonna try this one to not eat anybody cars. It's so hard to not eat anybody cars. If you download this game and you didn't eat anybody cars, make sure you guys comment, tell me, but it's really hard. I told you guys. So for this lap, I didn't hit anybody cause this lap is really long. Two more laps. This is the last lap. One more lap. Our full loss, but we lost. But you guys can win. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. We post every Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Bye.